I'm in the sports mode. Specifically, college sports mode. Yeah, so I came over to tell you a dad joke about it. Okay, ready? If the Pilgrims came over on the Mayflower, what did college students come over on? Scholarships! Scholarships! Speaking of scholarships, all right, neighbor, if you know any kiddos out there, any student athletes that are needing help getting college scholarships for sports, call this fella right here. Yeah, Brian, he's a good neighbor. He's with Recruit Route. This company right here, yeah, they'll help you the entire step of the way. 25 years of experience. Brian knows the entire process like the back of his hand. He's like, yeah, it's nothing. The big companies are like, who are you again? Where are you from? Not Brian. He's like, come on, I got you. NIL, I've got you. Transfer portal, I've got you. And more importantly, he'll find you a destination. So call Recruit Route. Okay? Later, Peter. I'll see you in church. I made a mess.